This video is for Miss Judy Linker. This is her water pump out of her daughter's CRV. This thing was very hard to pinpoint, making a rattling noise, but found out what it was, and turned out to be the bearings inside of this water pump is no good in the back. But the thing is, when you spin it, then you can hear it. I'm gonna spin it and see if you guys can hear it. It's a sound that bearings make when they're worn out. It's not a smooth turn at all, and it's actually not even supposed to spin that freely. It's supposed to have a little bit more tension to it. But this is a typical water pump, and these are the wings in the back. I call them wings because when you turn the pulley, as you can see, they turn and it pumps the water throughout the engine and the radiator. But that's what this thing does. It keeps the cooling system at operating temperature. It doesn't let it get too hot. So anytime you hear a noise going on pulley area, not to say it's always going to be your water pump, but it could be. I took the belt off and spent all the pulleys, and as you can see or hear, the bearings are bad, which will make a loud rattling noise on this water pump.